barbecue.
Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and today we are doing stuffed Philly cheesesteak peppers, and it's going to be a little different. Something we've never done before, but we're going to try. We're going to see if we can make it work for you. But before we get to that, make sure you go down there, you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get all the notifications, like, comment, and share this sucker to all your friends, your buddies, your pals, your amigos, what have you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at NewBQ, NEWBQ. And let's get into this. Let's get this sucker started. We got our meat laid out. We are cooking inside today, or for the moment, because it is super cold outside. So we're going to cook up our meat in here, then we're going to take them outside. Once we stuff our peppers, we're taking them outside, we'll put them on the smoker, and we'll smoke them and get the cheese all nice and melty on top. So let's get to it. Alright, we got our meat browning. We're going to use a little of this Hardcore Carnivore Black just to kind of spice it up a little bit. Alright, we're going to add in some chopped onions. Yes, I'm using frozen onions because I don't care. So we're going to go ahead and use some of those. There we go. Frozen onions, going to get those all mixed in real nice. Alright, going to add you some steak sauce here. We're going to add about a half a cup. Alright, beef broth, 2 cups. Alright, I don't know if I said this before, but this is 2 pounds of ground beef. I've doubled my recipe here. So we're going to mix this all up, and then we're just going to let it cook down. Alright guys, going to go ahead and get those peppers stuffed now. So you get them down in there real nice. Just like that. Alright, we got all our peppers stuffed. Now we're going to go throw them on the smoker. Alright, time to put our peppers on. There we go. We're gonna let those suckers cook for just a little bit, and then once those peppers get nice and soft, we're gonna put the cheese on it, let the cheese melt. All right, got that fresh cut provolone. Whoops. Gonna go ahead and throw that on top. There we go. All right, let's check on. Woo! Look at that. Them things are nice and melty. We're trying to get them off there. Ooh, they're real soft. Real soft. Woo! Look at that. Look at there. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give that a win. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Woo! Alright, I can't wait to eat these suckers. Alright guys, that is it. That is it for the stuffed peppers, the Philly cheesesteak stuffed peppers. They look amazing. I'm going to take them inside and get them eaten. Me and my family, that's what we're having for dinner tonight. So, anyway, we'll see you guys next time on the next episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Like I said before, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, share this thing. Whatever you got to do, help me out. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.